Okay, let's talk about week 5. So this week you are reading chapter 4, which is literally titled Writing a Rhetorical Analysis. And that's what your next assignment is going to be, to write a rhetorical analysis. But there are specific instructions. So a problem that we had on the first essay is that some people just did not read the instructions, or they chose not to follow them, whatever the case may be. You have to follow the instructions here. And what I mean by that is there are only 3 articles to choose from, and you pick one. You do not get to go pick out whatever, and there's a reason for this. So anyway, so this week you will be discussing a writing that's in chapter 4 first, and then you're going to be sharing the article that you've chosen for your essay, and then you have a couple of quizzes, because A3 lends itself to this conversation as well. So we're writing about reading at this point, okay? All right, so let's look at the instructions and what you should do for this. So for the draft is due by next Monday night. Okay, so this will be our first time that we do draft and peer review, and it's got a pretty quick turnaround, so you're going to have to pay attention and log in often. Here are the instructions, and it's a short essay. It's like a page and a half, if that. No big deal. But you choose from one of these 3 articles, okay? These come from our Gale database at the Ozarka Library. So there are 3 to choose from. They all deal with the conversation of building a wall on the Mexican border. And the most recent of the articles was actually published in 2012. So that tells you how long this conversation has been going on. There are 3 different viewpoints here. And so I recommend that you read over them and see which one that you can really get into, because everybody has their own opinions, of course, about this. So pick one of these articles. I've linked a little helper here if you need outside help. There's a sample. The instructions and the rubric are here. And when you write your paper, you can cite your source. My dog's having a fit right now. Stop, Shep. All right, so here are the references. I've gone ahead and done them for you because they are long and complicated. Anything that comes off the Gale database is really long for some reason. Anyway, go ahead and start paying attention to APA things like last name, first initial, not capitalizing normally, that sort of thing, okay? Date goes right after the author. So whatever article you choose, make sure you have a references page at the end of your essay and you cite. And there are no page numbers in these articles, so you're left up to just citing the author, giving the author credit whenever you specify ideas from the article. Anyway, okay, so I hope this helps some get you prepared. Again, one of these, and then that way we have a common, set to discuss and to look at and everything, and it's a good starting place when we're dealing with literature that we are reviewing. All right, I hope that you have a great week. I know that discussion boards I haven't graded in a timely manner. I've been working on all these papers, but hopefully I'll have all that caught up pretty soon. All right, talk to you soon.